Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is basically a simple makeup look, and I started by priming my face, and now I am using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in dark brown to shape my brows. And then I'm going in the Stila Shape and Shade Contour Duo, and I'm using the lightest shade to shape my brows, and I'm using it as an eyeshadow base as well. Now going in my Tarte Cosmetics Tarteist Pro palette, I am going to use Innocent as a transition shade. And then using the same palette, I am going in with Edgy as a second transition shade. Now using the shade Vamp, I am going to pack that color in my inner and outer corners and in my crease as well. Now I'm going in with no filter just to smooth the harsh lines a little bit. And now going in with my Eyeko Cosmetics Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn, I am going to draw a little half moon shape over my lid and just a little bit above my crease so you can still see the halo once my eyes are opened. Now going in with the Urban Decay Kristen Leanne palette, I am going to use the shade Lime Time and pack it over that little halo. And then I'm going to use the shade Vamp from the Tarteist Pro palette to smooth out the edges. So yes, I'm just blending just to make sure there's no harsh lines. And now I'm using no filter just to add a little bit of color. For foundation, I am using the Maybelline New York Fit foundation in the shade Coconut. And since I always do the upper brow section after foundation, I am going in with the Eyeko Cosmetics Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn just to shape my upper brow zone. Now using the Maybelline New York Fit Me Concealer in the shade Cafe, I am going to highlight underneath my eyes, my nose bridge, my upper lip zone, my forehead, and my chin. So I went ahead with the Stila Cosmetics Shape and Shade Contour Duo, and I used the deepest shade to contour my nose, and now I'm just blending out the concealer. Okay, so I didn't really like the outcome, so I'm just going back with the deepest shade of the Stila Cosmetics Shape and Shade Duo Contour Kit to contour my nose with a brush this time. And now I'm just going to contour my cheekbones, my forehead, my big ass forehead. To bake, I am going to use the Covergirl Professional Loose Powder and the shade Translucent Fair. Bake, bake, bake! Now I am going to use the Urban Decay Moondust palette in the shade Light Year just to add a little pigment to my eye look. Now I am using Eyeko liquid eyeliner and carbon black to create the perfect wing liner. Right now I'm just basically wiping away that translucent powder. For the bottom lid, I'm using Drama and Mod, and in the middle, I am just going to apply Minx to add a little shimmer. now I'm basically going to set my contour with the Estée Edit, the Barest bronzer, and the shade Medium Deep. I grabbed the Lancôme Blush Subtil Cream in Rouge Mistral. It's a very creamy blush and I really love it because it's really soft on the skin. These are my favorite mink lashes. I absolutely love them. From the first time I wore them, I fell in love with them. This is actually the second time I'm wearing these lashes and I just can't get enough of them. Like, look at how beautiful these are. Now I'm using the L'Oreal Paris Miss Manga Mascara in black. Now using the Sugar Cosmetics Lip Pencil in Purple Rain, I am going to outline my lip. And for lipstick, I am using the NYX Cosmetics Suede Matte Lipstick in Biker Babe. Now using ONS and Wicked from the Urban Decay Afterglow Highlighter Palette, I am going to highlight my cheekbones, the bridge of my nose, my brow bones, my forehead, my chin, and also my upper lip zone. And that's pretty much it. So now I'm just going to set my face. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel.